Hello and welcome back to this course. Today in this video we will discuss about the radio button in JavaFX. So in our previous video we have discussed about the checkbox that will help us to select multiple items in the application. And in the radio button we can only select one item at a time. For example, we have male and female two genders, so we can only select male or female. We cannot select male and female both. So to use that, we first of all have to use the radio button class. So I first of all open my fxml file in the scene builder. You can see here I just resize this application. I type here 400 by 300. Okay, so now I'm going to type here radio button. I drop this button here. I add here like this. I change the text to male and female. Okay, so now just click on this and go to the properties, and in here you have to give a toggle group, because if you run this program as it is, then you can also select the both at the same time. For example, if I save it and go back to my NetBeans, and now if I run my application, you will see the both radio buttons when I click on the male, and now if I click on the female, you can see that I can select the both, but I don't want to do this. So what I do, I just close this application and go back to scene builder and just click on this male, and I give the toggle group. I type here gender. Also I give this group to the female like this, which is the gender. Okay, I save it. Now I can only select only one item at a time, so male and female. And I also choose a label from here to see that which I have which radio button I have selected right now. So I just drag a label here, and I just add nothing to this. Okay, I just add the ID to this label, which is the status, and I give a ID to it like R1, radio button 1, and R2. Okay, I save it and go back to my NetBeans. And in the NetBeans, first of all, I'm going to create here the at fxml, and I type here private and radio button R1, and add fxml private radio button R2, and add fxml. At last I type here private and label, and I type here status. Okay, and also I have to import the radio button class. Okay, so now what I'm going to do here, I'm just going to define a method here. I simply type here public void, and I type here radio button, and here I type action event e, and in the body I'm simply going to type here if r1 dot is selected, then simply what to do, status dot set text, you have selected and I concatenate the r1 dot get text, and also I concatenate here right now. Okay, so now I copy this if statement from here and paste it here. I change it to R2 and also R2. Okay, so I think everything is done right now. I save it, and now I go back to the scene builder. I select this and on action radio button, and female on action radio button. Okay, I save it. And now if I go back to my NetBeans, and now if I run my application, you will see here male and female. If I click on the male, you will see you have selected male right now. If I click on the female, you have selected female right now. Now I can only select one item from this male and female. You can add many radio buttons as you want. Just give them same group if you want to enable user to select only one option. So you have selected female right now, you have selected male right now. So this is what we call the radio button. I hope that you understand. Anyhow, if you feel any problem by understanding the radio button or methods, you can definitely ask me a question. I am always here to help you. So that's it for this video. I will see you in next video.